Hello guys, welcome. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to add table of content in Microsoft Word. Let us begin. In first step, number your pages. I have already made a tutorial how to insert page number. I will put link in the description. Give heading style to your topic and subtopics. For your topics, choose heading 1, and for subtopics, choose heading 2. Chapter 2, this is my topic, I will give heading 1. Then, this will be subtopic, heading 2. Here we have more subtopics. 2.2 is subtopic, heading 2. And then add a blank page above your first page. Here we have a blank page. And then go to references, table of content, automatic table 1. As you can see here, our table of content is added. Now if you want to add topics or subtopics to our table of content, for example, I want to add one more subtopic. Here, we have 2.3 concept of factor of safety. Again, from Home tab, in the Style section, we will choose heading 2 and back to table of content page. Here it gives us updated table. Click on this and then mark update entire table. Press OK. Our table is being updated. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.